Welcome to Hog's Breath Surfers Paradise. Today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of our kitchen. This restaurant can do between 400 and 500 guests or covers in a peak period. So let's go see how that magic works. Come with me. So dockets come into the kitchen. They'll be placed through our POS system, come straight through the printer, get placed up on the docket railing. This kitchen is a line kitchen, so it's really compact and quite close together. It makes it really easy for everything to get done. That's how we can serve so many covers in a night. So this side of our kitchen, we have our Alto Sham, our slow cooking oven, grill, stove, flat grill, and fryers. All of the hot stuff on this side, because obviously the canopy's there to release the heat. All the crumbing and flouring on this side as well. So it's nice and easy, all flows together, and then we can turn it over to this side where all the plate up is. So on this side and this half of this section, we have larder. So we have the salamanders, we're cooking breads, garlic breads, things like that. All burgers, wraps, salads are all made on this side. Now, obviously, we've picked a little bit of a quieter lunch service so that we can go through and show you the kitchen, but just sort of understanding how it all works. We skipped past on the way through just so we could show you the rest of the kitchen, but obviously, any good restaurant needs a walk-in fridge. So in here, we've got all our fresh supplies, fruit and veg daily, meat, chicken, 3 times a week. So when the guests have finished their food, plates will get collected and taken to the dish area here. Again, because it's a line kitchen, everything sort of flows through. So plates get brought back, emptied in the rubbish, collected here through the dishwasher, and then out the other side to be dried and cleaned. Thank you for coming with me on this walkthrough of the kitchen at Hog's Breath Surfers Paradise. I hope you found it informative and got something out of it. And if there's anything we can do for you when you're in town, come and see us for a steak.